Anong feeling na isa ka sa mga first sponge runners in Binibining Pilipinas?
I don't really realize that I'm part of a frontliner because all I do here is I just want to enjoy the journey, you know. But I'm so happy and it's really ignite my passion to continue striving and do better because people are expected us to be perfect when we go out. So you have to really do a rigorously training for us to, you know, fulfill that moment of us.
Alright, ganda-ganda.
I did my makeup today.
Oh! What is your fondest childhood memory?
Childhood memory?
Yes.
It would be when, back in my province, we often go riding a bike. So we would rent it for an hour for 5 pesos. And one time when we went around the subdivision, we got chased by a dog. So you would really realize how fast I bike. It's like the moment where my adrenaline really rushed for us to escape the dog. And it was just...
Oh my God, ba't hindi ka na ano?
No, because I was too fast to paddle.
Thank you, Be. Good luck in your journey, Miss Amale.